Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I'm going to be sharing 5 transitional spring looks from my leading lady wardrobe. What is the leading lady wardrobe? I have made videos about this in the past. I will link those in my description box below, but just in short, it's a wardrobe full of dresses. This is something that I really haven't been able to find when I was searching for something like this, but it's just all things feminine and you just love every single piece that you have. And that's really all that it is. It's not, it's not complicated. It's taking all the complicated things out of a wardrobe and just creating a wardrobe full of dresses. This has really been a way that I've made a dream that I've had since I was young come true. And being able to wear dresses from winter all the way to, spring, summer, and fall, through all of it. It has been wonderful. I have now done this for over a year and I am just so pleased with the results of, or I should say just with my daily life and getting dressed and getting ready for the day. It's really simplified things. So today I am excited to let you know that this is a collaboration with Jennifer L. Scott of the Daily Connoisseur. Many of you, I am sure, have found my channel through her channel. She is a really good friend of mine. We talk practically daily, and she is the creator of the 10-item wardrobe. She's also the author of the Madame Chic books. So if you have not heard of her or seen her channel, I'm going to link that in my description box below as well. Please head over there, let her know that I sent you. And I know that if you are looking for just a chic way of living or different things to discuss. She has such an array of different topics and wonderful things that I love to watch and learn about. And she is just so dear to me. So yes, please head over there if you have not, and let's get into the rest of this video. So first and foremost, this is just going to be 5 different days with different looks, and I wanted to share like the different accessories that I'm choosing going into spring and some of the colors. So something that I love to do is to take out a few different pieces going into the spring months. And sometimes this is, yes, even before Easter, I'm going to take out some of my white dresses just because it's fun to just start wearing some of those pieces, especially when it's warmer, because I live in an area where it's pretty pleasant. And I mean, you know, it does get very cold in the winter time, but then going towards those spring months, it gets pretty warm. We've already had 70 plus days here in where I live in Nevada. And anyway, I like to take out fresh pieces for the spring that I've been accumulating, especially over this last year. I spent a lot of time and money kind of rounding out my wardrobe of dresses and just wearing a different dress every day. I just love having a variety. I do have very similar colors within my wardrobe, but I am all about color. Finding those colors that work well with me and my skin tone, and I would encourage you that if you know, that's something that you're interested in, you want to bring in more color into your life, bring in just those things that really make you happy, especially if you love dresses, then by all means wear the dresses. First, today I chose to wear this little scarf here, which is actually just a little scarf or ribbon that was attached to one of my Aldo purses when I purchased it. And I used it on there for a while, but then I took it off, and now I thought, well, you know, with this dress that I have on, which is very plain and the neck goes pretty high, I like to have something just to kind of break it up, and just it gives the outfit a little bit more interest, especially because I use a trench coat that I practically wear every day. This one has taken me through the winter, and it's a perfect trench coat for the spring as well. It's not too heavy, but it does keep me warm. Pretty much all of my looks, you will see that I wear that trench coat every day, and every morning I leave my home to go help my grandfather, so I need to have something that I can put on over that. And then of course I wear my blush ballet flats. Those are a daily for me. So my wardrobe is very simple. I keep it within my small wardrobe, and then I pack away all of my off-season dresses or just dresses that I may want to switch out every now and then. So throughout a whole season, I don't necessarily have all the things that I could wear in that season out, because sometimes I get tired of seeing some of the same dresses all the time. So that's when I will pull out my bin and see if I can switch a few things out. So it just keeps things interesting and exciting and like they're new again. So today it's 55 degrees outside. It's supposed to get up to 63 degrees. And when it's a nice day and not too windy or something like that, I do like to go walking. So I will pair my outfit, whatever I'm wearing, with just some low tennis shoes or sneakers or whatever you want to call them. I found these at Ross. They're just, you know, plain white, and I can easily throw them in the washing machine if, you know, when they get dirty. And but I just like to put these on and then go for a walk, and then that way I'm not messing up my flats. And I also like to put on this sun hat here so that I can protect my skin. Right after I film this video, I'm going to be going on my walk, so I guess I will just keep this on, and then I will see all of you tomorrow. Today's outfit is fun. That's what I would like to call this one, with this little sweater that I found at Target more recently. It's within this season's collection. I saw it and I just love light blue, powder blue. one of my favorite things to wear. And I've been looking for something like a cardigan. I just don't want it to go past my rear. Like, I want it to be above that. I want it to be at the waist, because for the look that I'm going for, especially with a lot of the dresses that I have with Gal Meets Glam, if I want to layer them, I just want it to be that higher waisted cardigan, which was very popular in the 1950s. So that's kind of what this is a nod to, I guess. I think that the length of the sleeve was cut at the wrong length, because this tends to make your arms look larger in this area just because they cut it right at that spot. So it would either need to be up higher, or I prefer a 3/4 sleeve, even in springtime. So this is just something to cover the shoulders here, which I like to have them. I mean, I'll wear tank tops, I'll wear, you know, just where it's cut like that is fine to me, but it also depends where I'm going to be going. But I love having something that is the same color or very similar. Monochromatic looks, that's something that I prefer. I think that no high contrast for me, but I mean, I've worn them like that, but I'm just saying it's something that I prefer. So I'm still in search of like a really nice blue. And then I'm very particular about the buttons as well. I like the buttons to blend in. I don't want to see the buttons, you know, I don't want them to be what stands out. Even on a coat, I love when a coat has buttons that are very similar to the coat itself, to the color of the coat. So that's just my preference. That's today's look, and I will see you tomorrow. This is a go-to that I grab when I'm going into spring. I love that the arms are covered. You know, it has that 3/4 sleeve, and I mean, they are puffy. I don't know how long that will last, but I've had this for a little while now, and I've loved it ever since I've gotten it, and I always pull it back out. So this is just one of my favorite dresses to wear. I love the dainty florals in it. Florals are just perfect for spring, and as you can tell, I'm not afraid to wear florals. I'm not afraid to put florals on my wall. It's just something that I love, and my kitchen, I'm finding, is just such a mix of floral hand towels, because I just love them. I mean, give me all the florals, okay? So anyway, let's get back into this outfit of the day. This one is, it's almost a maxi dress. Like, the back is a maxi, but the front is that midi. So it's hard to figure out what shoes to wear. Since I'm not ready to, you know, show my toes yet for going into springtime, it's not quite spring yet, okay? So since I'm not quite ready for that, the wedges are the perfect go-between. These wedges are my favorite for that, and especially with some of these dresses that you need to wear a heel with, but you don't feel as comfortable wearing a heel everywhere that you go. So that's why I think that it works out well. This is such a fun color. It brightens my mood especially. But do I want to wear it all the time? No, because I often gravitate towards just the more pastel kind of colors. But I think throwing in one of these more vibrant colors is fun, especially in the springtime. This is a perfect spring and summer dress. So this chambray dress, which I really don't like the way that that is worded. I don't like that word at all. But still, that is what this dress is. It's an A-line cut. It's a faux wrap. And I love the little ruffle down at the bottom. And then also these cute bows. I feel that all those little details make such a difference in a dress. And it just makes it so much more fun to wear, and something that you would look forward to wearing. So if you, like me, love dresses, then make the world a more beautiful place by wearing your dresses. And that is what will help you become a leading lady. Well, that's just the way that I look at it anyway. So anyway, I want to thank you for being here. I want to thank Jennifer for collaborating with me. It's always fun to do a collaboration with her. And I look forward to hearing all that you have to say, of course, everything that you leave in the comments, but also just let me know if you have a dress that you just love taking out year after year and what that dress looks like. And until next time, I hope that you all take care and have a beautiful day. Bye, everyone. This video was brought to you by our patrons and all those who have purchased from the Inspired by Nikki store. Thank you. I want to welcome you if you are new and hope you will consider subscribing to be inspired daily to make the everyday beautiful.